Hey everybody!
Hi!
Welcome back! And for this one, we are drawing a baby seal.
Yep.
So, top left,
Yeah.
we're going to draw the eyes first. And we're going to draw the eyes basically the same as we did in the octopus drawing. So we're going to start with a big circle, but we don't close it up. See there's a space?
Yeah.
And we connect another big one to that. So it's more like an oval actually. And then we're going to draw two little circles in here, and these are going to be the reflections in the eyes. And now we draw a circle that starts off the end of that little reflection and finishes off to the top of it. See, now that looks like a pupil and it looks like a reflection in it. Are you drawing the head again? You did the other eye. Okay, so now I'm doing this eye. So now I have two eyes and you have two eyes. That's good. Now a little upside down triangle shape for a little nose, like a kitty nose, and a smile. Happy little smiles. Let's see. Are we both happy? We're both happy. Okay. Now we're going to start a rounded head shape. We start from down here and we go all around to the top, like so, and that's it. Yep. From here, a line down and we stop. Mine actually went far down. I'm almost running out of space here. And then continue the line back here, just till there, because we need to add a fish tail, because this seal has a tail similar to a fish.
Yeah.
And then now, from this top, we make another shape going down. See, it's a fat baby seal. And now we add that little tail that looks like a fish's tail. You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, you're the chubby, chunky tail. Okay, so now for this fin, this flipper, draw a line till there and we bring it in and we add little, almost like fingers to his flipper, but it's not quite fingers. And we just finish that line up there. Yeah, yours is chunky so that suits him. And now on this side as well, for the other flipper that's on the other side. And these are cute baby seal. Yours look like a chunky baby seal.
Yes.
Still a baby seal though. Now we add some whiskers. Just three lines, and we can make 3 dots to show more holes of whiskers where it's coming out straight instead of sideways where you can see. You got that?
Yep.
Mine is gonna have little lashes. You're gonna add little lashes to yours?
No.
My seal is gonna have just a spot there. And maybe another small one there. Just because it's different. How's that?
That's fine.
You're not gonna go with spots?
No.
No? Okay. Well, there you have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's our baby seal. I think we can color now. So I'm gonna make my eyes blue. And my nose is also gonna be, I don't know, pink. So, blue eyes, here we go. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
There's our baby seals. Did you have fun with this one, Izzy?
Yep.
Not much color usage, eh? Just grey.
Yeah.
You didn't want any other colors? Not really. That's okay. Grey is fine. The seals are grey, you are correct. And I don't think seals have little spots on them, but I added that just to have some color. Maybe this seal's got a bit of moss stuck to his skin.
Okay.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good
Have fun.
and have fun. Bye.